Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best kitchen towels that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the FAO Classic Kitchen Towels. Made in Portugal, FAO Classic Kitchen Towels are plush and substantial with superb absorbency. The FAO towels are 100% cotton and barely shrink after their preliminary wash. Because of its large post-wash size, we were able to dry more dishes and glasses at one time. Each towel is made up of thousands of tiny loops, like terry cloth, bunched up into hundreds of tiny, thick squares, measuring 1/4 by 1/2, which soak up any liquid in a single pass. Its hem is tightly sewn and showed no signs of fraying after a second wash. Each towel has a hook for hanging it to dry, but during our week-long testing, we just draped it over the sink, and it dried quickly. The FAO towels are available in 13 colors with an attractive checkerboard design and after 2 washings showed no sign of fading. The FAO towels come in packages of 2, 4, and 10, and although they are a bit expensive, they are very high quality and should last a long time. Moving on at number 4, we have the Williams-Sonoma Classic Striped Towels. The Williams-Sonoma Classic Striped Towels are the brand's iconic basket weave towels. Made from 100% Turkish cotton, they had minimal shrinkage and retained their bright color after 2 washings. They have a thick, securely sewn hem that showed no fraying and a corner hanging loop. What was most impressive was this thirsty towel's absorbency. We tried a dinner's pots and pans in minutes, and then laid the towel on a puddle of water we'd squirted onto the countertop. To our amazement, we watched the Williams-Sonoma towel instantly soak up the water like a wad of paper towels, and though that side of the towel was wet, we finished drying glassware with the opposite side. The handsome striped towels come in packages of 4, which calculates to about $5.50 per towel, and are available in 10 colors. At number 3, we have the Williams-Sonoma All-Purpose Pantry Towels. For the same price as the striped towels, the Williams-Sonoma All-Purpose Pantry Towels are also high quality. This thick towel is made of Turkish cotton with a traditional terry cloth weave on one side and a tight waffle weave on the opposite side. This is a well-made towel and shrank only about an inch after 2 washings, but we did notice some minor fraying of threads at the hem. Although the pantry towel wasn't quite as absorbent as the striped towel, it still did a good job of drying dishes and glasses without leaving lint or streaks behind. The Williams-Sonoma pantry towels are sold in packages of 4 and are available in the same 10 colors as the striped towel. At number 2, we have the KitchenAid Albany Towel Set. KitchenAid has several kitchen towel sets, and we tested the KitchenAid Albany set of 4 terry cloth towels. Surprisingly, the KitchenAid towels were the only towels we tested that didn't shrink, presumably because it's a blend of 94% cotton and 6% polyester. The towels aren't very large, 24 inches by 16 inches, nor are they soft. In fact, they're a bit scratchy. But they have a medium thickness that proved to be quite absorbent. We were able to dry many items at one time, and they were particularly effective in soaking up water that had gathered in between cracks of food container lids. The affordable KitchenAid Albany towels come in a package of 4, 2 single-color towels and 2 striped towels, and are available in 19 traditional and kitchen cherry colors. And finally at number 1, we have the Allclad Textiles Kitchen Towel. The Allclad Textiles kitchen towels are reversible for dual purposes. The flat linen-like side is for drying glasses, and the nubby, terry cloth side is for heavy-duty drying and wiping up spills. Both sides prove to be very absorbent. The towels are made of 100% Turkish cotton and the terry cloth side is plush and soft. Allclad has treated these towels with an antimicrobial agent that inhibits the growth of odors, and after air drying them, they did indeed smell fresh. But after 2 washes, the longer side shrank by 3.5, and the hem showed some signs of fraying, and threads had begun to come undone on the terry cloth side. The striped All-Clad towels come in 10 muted colors and are sold in packages of 3 towels at approximately the same price as Facito's 4 towels, which are a better value. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.